few students at the university sat down and they said, what can we do for Al-Imam Al-Hussain alayhi salam? What is our purpose? What can we do? There were 5 of them. They said, why don't we initiate or launch a website? A website telling people about Al-Imam Al-Hussain. What shall we call it? Who is Hussain? So they established Who is Hussain. A few years later, this Who is Hussain became a global movement. Even here in Edmonton, on the day of Ashura, they have people who go on the day of Ashura and either give flowers or give coffee in the name of Abi Abdullah, or have bottles of water and they wrapped with Who is Hussain, the website Who is Hussain. I remember one of the mu'mineen here in Edmonton, he says, we gave out bottles of water at the University of Alberta, and we had on the bottle the website Who is Hussain. He says, later on in the day, I was on the bus and I saw one of the people who had taken this bottle of water, and he was searching the website Who is Hussain to learn about Al-Imam Al-Hussain salamullahi alayhi. That's one thing this person did. So you can see there are so many things that you can do, brothers and sisters. Allah has given you power, momentum. Just ask for hidayah, ask for guidance, and try to follow through. What can I do for Al-Imam Al-Hussain? What can I do for Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam? Just make sure that you're always following the pleasure of Allah and Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam.